Hello guys, welcome to my channel Maths Pursuit. Today we are going to look into exercise 5.2 question 4 from chapter 5 called arithmetic progression. So let's see what exactly is given in question number 4. So coming to the question, it is given that which term of the AP 3, 8, 13, 18 is 78. Now let us see how we can solve this question. Coming to the solution, let nth term of the AP 3, 8, 13, 18 is 78. So just we are assuming that okay, let nth term be 78 so that we can find out the value of n while solving the question. So now we are going to put the given data in the below table. As usual guys, I always prefer to create a table and put the number sequence in that table so that it helps us in making our calculation without confusing among the numbers. For that reason, I have created a 6-column table because we have 6 number of data. Now naming first term to first cell, second term to second cell, third term to third cell, fourth term to fourth cell, and keeping one cell blank and nth term to last cell. Putting 3 under first term, 8 under second term, 13 under third term, 18 under fourth term, and keeping one cell blank and putting 78 under nth term. Now naming A1 to first term, A2 to second term, A3 to third term, A4 to fourth term, and keeping one blank, again naming AN to 78th to nth term. Here we are going to find out AN or nth term, n value. As per the question, the above numbers forms an AP. So guys, if we know that if a number sequence forms an AP, then definitely their common difference or the difference between the consecutive numbers will be same. So we can find the common difference D for any of the consecutive numbers. As the common difference among the consecutive numbers will be same, so we can find the common difference by taking any of the consecutive numbers. So here I have taken D is equal to A3 minus A2, that is third term minus second term, and you guys can take any of the terms and you can find out. Either you can take fourth minus third or third minus 2 or second minus first. So always we are coming from the end. This is one thing that you need to keep in mind. We should not do like first term minus second term or second minus third. This is not the way we are doing. We are always doing from the traveling from the end towards first. Or D is equal to 13 minus 8, that is equal to 5. Just replacing the values of A3 and A2, we got the common difference D as 5. Now let us use the formula AN is equal to A1 plus n minus 1 into D. Guys, this formula is very important. I am always telling that this formula is very important, so we need to be very careful and we need to remember this formula. So AN is equal to 3 plus n minus 1 into 5, or 78 is equal to 3 plus 5n minus 5. Just solving this equation and replacing the value of AN as 78. Or 78 is equal to 5n minus 2, or 5n is equal to 78 plus 2, or n is equal to, or 5n is equal to 80, or n is equal to 80 by 5, or n is equal to 16. So guys, we got the value for n as 16. So now we can say that 16th term of the above AP is 78. That's all guys. This is very simple. If you still have any questions or confusions, kindly write to me in the comment section of this video. I will definitely get back to you once I see your comments. If you really like my videos, kindly subscribe and let your friends know. Thank you. Bye.